Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you a strange box. I'm not sure why this box was sent to us. It's a Deadpool box. Like, here. I have no idea why we have this box. We got one of these and it was so incredibly disappointing. I don't know how much this box costs. It'll be on the screen, but what I do remember is that this box was not worth it. The stuff that was in this box was cheap and flimsy, and I don't know. It'll be linked down below if you care to give that a gander. But as soon as we got this box, we canceled this. I have no idea why this showed up on our doorstep. And I don't know. I don't know. Like, they didn't charge our bank account because I made my husband check just to be sure, because I'm like, well, why are we getting this? The first one we got was like, I don't know, maybe 6 months ago. It was a little insane, but they didn't charge our bank, so I don't know why we got this box. There's other relevant information down in the description if you're interested. Giveaways going on, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's get into this box. So I open it up, and this is what I see. And it says, last one in the pool smells worse than a certain hairy mutant. I'm assuming he's talking about Wolverine, maybe? Okay, so this box is looking slightly better than the first one. T-shirt. I don't know what it says. Greetings from Wish You Weren't Here. Oh, it's greetings from Deadpool. Can you guys see that? There we go. And I mean, it feels like it's decently made. The next thing I am pulling out is a Deadpool plushie. It's actually kind of cute. That is adorable. I actually really like that. The next thing I am pulling out is a Deadpool koozie. It's kind of flimsy and cheap, but there it is. Both sides. We don't really use a koozie for anything. We don't drink beer. I don't know. And then pulling out a Deadpool pin, which is also kind of cute, I'm not gonna lie. And then it looks like we got a blanket, a Deadpool blanket. Oh, no, it's not a Deadpool, it's a towel. So, my son will like this. It's not, it says, hey, bae. I don't know if you guys can see the picture or not. It's just Deadpool kind of hanging out there. I don't know if you guys can actually see that because I was behind it, but it's not like, it's a towel. It's not a suit. If I were to compare this to a towel that you could get from Target, I would say this would be like in the $5 section towel. So it's not like a horrible towel. It's just not like the most plush or soft or anything of that nature. Okay, you guys, so that was the Deadpool box. Again, I do think that this one was significantly better than the first one. But I'm gonna say still not worth the money. I honestly don't remember how much it cost, but I'm gonna say it's not worth the money. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and have a great day.